Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to buy on Webull, a popular online trading platform. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to start investing. First, you need to download and install the Webull app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once you have the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to provide identification documents to verify your identity. After your account is set up, you need to fund it. Webull offers several funding options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and electronic funds transfers. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions to deposit money into your account. Next, you need to navigate to the trading page. Here, you can search for the stock or asset you want to buy by typing its symbol or name in the search bar. You can also browse through the various categories and lists, such as the most popular stocks or the stocks on the S&P 500 index. Once you have found the stock you want to buy, click on it to view its details page. This page provides you with a wealth of information, including the current price, trading volume, and historical performance. You can also view news and analysis about the stock to help you make a more informed decision. To place an order, click on the Buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can choose from different order types, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order executes the trade at the current market price, while a limit order executes the trade at a specific price you set. A stop-loss order automatically sells your shares if the price falls below a certain level. After you have placed your order, Webull will execute it and notify you when the trade is complete. You can then view your portfolio to track the performance of your investments. Webull also offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your portfolio, including real-time quotes, charts, and news. In conclusion, buying on Webull is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and preparation. By following these steps and using the various tools and features available on the platform, you can start investing in the stock market with confidence. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk to achieve success in the world of investing.